Welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Today I will be doing my first makeup tutorial in my favorite color, purple. I hope you all enjoy it. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to start off with Eyeshadow Primer by Urban Decay in the color Eden, just so your color can pop, you know what I'm saying, like it is right there. I am going in with Juvia's Place palette in the eyeshadow Jezebel. So you just want to go ahead and blend that in as your transition color. Ooh, and look at this. Oh my goodness. This color right here, this Makedo, so pretty. I love this color. So go ahead and just put that over your lid and then just smooth it on, blend it on into the first transition color that I added. And once you're done with that, I realized I wanted a little bit more of the transition color. See, doesn't that look much better? And this gives you another chance to blend it in some more so you don't have any harsh lines. Then I am going to have a darker color in the crease. This is also from Juvia's Place, and it's the color Layla. Just a quick tip for us ladies with a hooded eye. You want to go a little bit above that bone that you feel right at the crease of your eye. That way you'll give your eyelid more space and you'll see more of the pop of color. So go ahead and just blend that around and go a little bit below your lash line with the darker color. And then in the inner corners of my eye, I went back in with the Makedo just to have that pretty color pop as well. Right in the corner, I put in Giza. Next is that mug, honey. So we're going to put on some foundation. I love MAC Face and Body. That is my go-to. It's very thin. I like my skin to show through my makeup. And I like my melanin to glow through. And this product is easy to spread around with your hands. That's the method I use. And then I just go in with a flat kabuki brush for even coverage. And please feel free to check out these cool videos with me doing my passion twist and spring twist. For my concealers, I'm using Juvia's Place in 10 and MAC concealer in NW45. So again, I'm a little different with this too. When I go to do concealers, I don't want it to be that much lighter than my skin tone. Like I don't want to be brown skin girl on the outside and then really light skin on the inside. I want to try to make it look like me as much as possible. So I just go in and move that around with my flat kabuki brush, blend it all in. Okay, 5 hours later, still blending that in. But the next step is me going in with my black opal finishing powder in the color medium. What? I almost freaked out. I was like, where did that come from? Anyway, crisis averted. So I set my concealer and I only use a little bit. I know everyone's always talking about baking and all that stuff. Well, I'm an easy bake oven. I just put a little bit. I brush it off within like a couple of seconds. I don't bake too long. Next, I do a little bit of contouring. I'm using Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in the color Katsina. Very pretty. I love the consistency. It spreads on like butter. First, I go in, again, blending with my fingers, making sure there's no harsh lines. Next, I will follow that up with my flat kabuki brush. And next is the blush. I love blush. I even wear blush sometimes without any foundation on. I am wearing MAC in the color Raisin. Then I'm going to let those cheekbones pop with matte cream color base in the color Improper Copper. Now for the lips. Let me tell y'all, I don't leave the house without this color. This is colored Raine and they're liquid lipstick in the color whatever. I line my lips like this. Sometimes I just do the full lip in this color, but it is perfect. Make sure you guys pick that up. I fill it in with NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brûlée. This is very pretty. Then I decided like, oh, I wanted to go a little bit darker on my lips. So I pulled out my Milani lip gloss in the color Tenderness. And I like the way it looked. I'm always mixing up my lip colors. It's fun to do. You guys should try it out to get that perfect color that you want for that day. Look at me being nosy. I heard a car driving up. So I'm like, who that? And you know, do a little shimmy at the end that helps set the makeup. It's optional. Oh, I forgot lashes. Got to do lashes. Tried to do it on camera. Didn't work. Almost got glue all up in my cornea.